You were not supposed to end 2025 like this. If people think you fell off, good. Let them believe you're finished. Let them underestimate you. Because 2026 is the year you erase every failure and make the greatest comeback of your life. You feel the weight of wasted time. Months lost to distraction. Days lost to lust. Nights lost scrolling. You know the truth. You've been operating far below your potential. This isn't about motivation anymore. Motivation is weak. Discipline is permanent. A real comeback starts with cutting. Cut 80% of distractions. Apps, noise, cheap dopamine, endless scrolling, gone. If it doesn't move your life forward, it doesn't deserve your time. Cut negative people. Not everyone is meant to come with you. Some people are only comfortable with the version of you that stays small. Get a strategy. No more random effort. No more chasing everything. One mission, one direction, one obsession, and stop announcing your goals. Silence is power. Move quietly. Work relentlessly. Let results speak. This time you're not coming back loud. You're coming back focused, disciplined, and dangerous. When you return, they won't hear about it. They'll feel it in your presence, your confidence, your results. This isn't a comeback for attention. This is a comeback that rewrites your identity. 2026 isn't your restart. It's your return. Rise, roar, win.